In this video, we are going to understand how to find out sum of any n terms of an AP. Also, we will understand how to find out nth term of an AP, and will solve question number 9 to 13 of exercise 5.3. Hello my awesome students, welcome to Akshar Vidyalaya. I am Nana and I make videos related to NCERT solutions for classes 9 to 12th. Moving to very first question of today's video, which is question number 9, which says that if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49, means S7 is given to us equal to 49, and that of 17 terms is 289. 17 terms means S17 is equal to 289. We have to find out in general the sum of any n terms. Okay, so how we can find out? We have to find out, if we have to find out the sum, then we need 4 things. What are those? N, A and D. So we need how many things? We need 3 things, N, A and D. So we can find out all those things by using these 2 formulas. So let's find out these 2. S7 is what? S7 is my n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 49. Similarly, I can say that this is n by 2, means this is my 17 by 2 into 2a. A I do not know. N is what? N is my 17. So 17 minus 1 will be 16 into D, which is equal to 289. Okay, so let's put the values here also and cancel out what is getting cancelled out. So n is what? N is my 7 by 2 into 2a plus n is 7. So 7 minus 1 will be 6. 6d is equal to 49. So now you can see that 7 7s the 49, it will be cancelled out, and this 2 is being divided here. When it will go to the right hand side, so it will be multiplied. So I will get what? I will get 2a plus 6d is equal to 7 into 2 will be equal to 14. So let's divide our complete equation by 2 so that it becomes simpler. It will be a plus 3d is equal to 7. I have divided each and every term by 2. Okay, and I am getting a plus 3d is equal to 7. So now here also let's cancel it out. It will be 17, and this 2 is being divided here, and it will go to the right hand side. It will be multiplied. So I will get 2a plus 16d is equal to 17 into 2 will be equal to 34. So now divide complete by 2 again. It will be a plus 8d is equal to 17. Okay, now solving these 2 equations, I can find out the value of a and d. So solve equation number 1 and 2. What are those? It is a plus 3d is equal to 7, and it is a plus 8d is equal to 17. So you know very well that how to solve 2 such equations. You have studied about this topic in your in the term 1. So what we will do, we will subtract we will change the sign of each and every term. A and a will get cancelled out. It will become equal to minus 5d. It will be equal to minus 10. Minus and minus will cancel out. So my d will be equal to 2. So if my d is equal to 2, I can put the value in this equation and find out the value of a. So a will be equal to what? A plus 3 into d is what? D is my 2 is equal to 7. So a plus 6 is equal to 7. So my a will be equal to 7 minus 6, means my a is equal to 1. So now I have to find out the value of Sn. Sn is what? N, A and D. N is what? N is also equal to N, and A is what? A is my 1, and D is what? D is my 2. So now put the values and you will get your answer. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is what? A is my 1 plus n minus 1 into d. D is what? D is my 2. So solve it and get your answer. N by 2 into 1 is 2 plus n minus 1 will remain as it is into 2. So let's make it more simple. So you will get, solve this bracket, 2n minus 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. I am left with what? I am left with n by 2 into 2n. So 2 and 2 again will get cancelled out. So n into n will become equal to n square. Okay, so the sum of first n terms of AP is n square. Moving to question number 10, which says that show that A1, A2 up to AN form an AP, where AN is what? AN is 3 plus 4n. So I have to tell that whether this is forming an AP or not. So how I can find out? If the common difference between the two consecutive terms is same, then I can say that it is forming an AP. And also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So let's first solve the first part, which is a. N is what? N is this time my 1. So it will become 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Okay, so similarly I can find out the value of A2 also. A2 is what? A2 is 3 plus 4 into n is my 2. So it will be 3 plus 4 into 2 is 8, and my answer will be 11. Similarly, let's find out the value of A3. A3 is what? 3 plus 4 into 3, n is 3, which will give me 3 plus 4, 3 is the 12. 12 plus 3 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 15. Okay, so we are having now having 3 terms. So let's find out the common difference by using these 3 values. The common difference will be what? When first term is being subtracted from the second term, so it will be 11 minus 7 is equal to 4. Now let's find out another common difference, which is 15 minus 11. It will be also equal to 4. So you can say that common difference is same, so that means it is forming an AP. Because my common difference is same, so that means this is my AP. So they are asking that if this is an AP, then find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So how to find out the sum? You know the formula. S15 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is what? N is my 15 by 2 into 2a. A is what? A is my 7 plus n is my 15. 15 minus 1 is 14 into d. D is also my 4. Okay, so 15 by 2 into 2 sevens the 14 plus 14 fours the 56. So I will get what? 15 by 2 into 70. So it will be cancelled out. It will become 35. So my answer will be equal to 525. Okay, moving to second part. Second part is what? An is equal to 9 minus 3 n. Similarly, I have to find out the value of A1. A1 is what? 9 minus 3 into 1, which is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. And A2 is equal to 9 minus 3 into 2, which is equal to 3 into 2 is 6, which is equal to 3. And A3 is equal to 9 minus 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is what? 9. So my answer will be equal to 0. So check that common difference is same or not. D is given by 3 minus 6, which is equal to minus 3, and also D will be equal to 0 minus 3, which is also equal to minus 3. So we can write down the same statement, that because common difference is same, so that means it is forming an AP. Let's find out the sum of the first 15 terms of the AP. Sum is given by what? 15 by 2. Same formula I am using here. N by 2 into 2a. A is what? A is my first term, which is equal to 6 plus n is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14 into d. D is what? D is my this minus 3. So I will get my answer as 15 by 2 into 2 into 6 is what? 2 6 the 12, and this will be 14 into 3 will be minus 42. So my answer will be 15 into 2 into 30. So this will get cancelled out and I will be left with 15 into 15, which is equal to minus 225. Okay. So moving to question number 11, which says that if the sum of first n terms of an AP is given to us equal to 4n minus n square, what is the first term? First term means I have to find out the value of S1, because see, this is first term, this is second term, this is my third term, this is my fourth term, right? So if I have to find out the sum of first terms, sum of first term will be equal to what? It will be equal to first term only. So that means, so if I have to find out the first term means I have to find out the S1. So put the value, n is 1 minus 1 is 1 square, 4 into 1 will be 4 minus 1, it is equal to 3. Then it is asking that what is the sum of first two terms. Sum of first two terms will be what? N is 2. So I will put the value of n as 2 here, minus n is 2, it is 2 square, which is equal to 4 into 2 is 8, minus 2 is the 4. So my answer will be equal to 4. So sum of second term, so I have to find out the sum of first two terms. It's also done. Now they are asking that what is the second term. Suppose this is an AP 3, 5, 7 and 9. So first term or the sum of first term is 3. Sum of first two terms is what? 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So if I have to find out the second term, what I will do? I will subtract first sum of first term from the sum of second term. So I will get 8 minus 3 as 5 means second term. So similarly, what I will do A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. S2 is my 4 minus S3 is my 3. So my answer will be equal to 1. Similarly, find the third, 10th and nth term in the AP. So to find out the third, 10th and nth term of the AP, I will be required with D common difference. How I can find out common difference? Common difference will be equal to 1 minus 3, which is equal to minus 2, means first term is being subtracted from the second term. So let's find out the value of third term, 10th term and nth term. Third term is what? Third term is A plus 2D. 10th term is A plus 9D. And the nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. A is my 3 plus D is my minus 2. So my answer will be 2 2's the 4 minus 4. So my answer will be equal to minus 1. Now A10 is what? A10 will be found out in the similar way. A is 3 plus D is minus 2. It will be 9 2's the 18. 3 minus 18 will be equal to minus 15. And similarly, find out the value of an. An is what? A is my 3. It is n minus 1. And D is what? D is my minus 2. So it will be, because of this minus sign, all the signs will get changed when I am going to multiply this 2 with n minus 1. So my answer will be minus 2n, and minus will become plus. It will be plus 2. So it will be 3 plus 2 will be 5. So my answer will be 5 minus 2n will be the nth term. Question number 12. Question number 12 says that find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay, sum of first 40 positive integers. N is what? N is my 40. Divisible by 6 means what? We have done similar questions in the exercise 5.2 also, that divisible by 6, which are completely divisible by 6, means my remainder will be equal to 0. So the first term is 6, second term will be 12, third term will be 18, and the fourth term will be 24. So you can see very clearly that first term is 6 and the common difference is what? Common difference is my 6, means 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So what I have to find out? I have to find out the sum of the first 40 terms, so which will be given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is my 40, 40 by 2 into 2a, a is my 6 plus 40 minus 1, which is equal to 39 into common difference is my 6. So you can see that it will be, my calculation part will become easier. You can see that 6 is coming out common from both the terms. So let's take it out outside of the bracket. 6 will be outside, and inside the bracket it will be left with 2 plus 39. 2 plus 39. So 2 3 is the 6. So 40 into 3 into 2 plus 39 is what? It is 41. So after doing this multiplication, 40 into 3 will be 120. 120 into 41. My answer will be equal to 4920. Okay, so the sum of first 40 terms which are divisible by 6 is equal to 4920. Right? Next, find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Again the same question. 15 multiples of 8. 8's multiple means first is 8, then 16, then 24, and n is what? N is my 15. Okay, so I have to find out the value of S15, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 15 by 2 into 2a plus a is what? A is my 8 plus n is my 15 minus 1 into common difference is a is my 8, and you can see that also my common difference is also 8, because 16 minus 8 will become equal to 8. So put the value here, common difference will be also equal to 8. So I will get what? 15 by 2. In both the terms 8 is common, so I will take out 8 outside the bracket. So inside the bracket I will be left with 2 plus 15 minus 4 is 14. So it will give me 2 4's the 8. 15 into 4 into, because bracket means what? It is multiplied. It will be 2 plus 14, which is equal to 16. So 15 was the 60 multiplied by 16. I will get what? I will get 16 6 the 96. I will get the answer as 960. Okay, so now they are asking that find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. So odd numbers are what? Which are not divisible by 2. So odd numbers between 0 and 50 will be what? The very first number will be 1, second number will be 3, then third will be 5, and the last will be 49. So what I have to find out? Sum. So to find out the sum, I need a is my 1, I need d is my 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. I also required in the formula n. So I do not know the value of n. So let's first find out the value of n by using this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is what? An is my 49, a is my 1, n I don't know, and d is my 2. 49 minus 1 will become equal to 48 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 2 is being multiplied here. When it will be divided, I will get 24 is equal to n minus 1. Now this 1 is subtracted here. When it will go to the left hand side, it will become 25. So 25 will become equal to n. So now I have the value of n also. So I can simply find out the value of s, and n is 25. Formula is what? Formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. So my n is 25 by 2 into 2a. A is my 1 plus n is 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. D is what? D is my 2. So now you can see that we can take out 2 as common outside. So it will be 2, and inside the bracket it will be 1 plus 24. 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. My answer will be 25 into 25, which is equal to 625. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video, in which we are going to solve remaining questions of exercise 5.3. Till then, take